Careful, Black. Hard right.
Sorry, Captain.
Your other right back.
Oh, yes, of course. Sorry, Captain, my mistake. Oh, silly me. Oh. Oh dear, oh dear.
We're doomed, and it's all my fault.
We've established that, Jones. Do you mind, Jones?
There must be something I can do to make up, Captain.
Yes, Jones. I think we'd all be grateful if you went and washed those socks.
Aye, aye, Captain. Right away.
Brilliant, Star, brilliant! Wash your socks! Just what I was going to say.
Star, has it struck you that Bloater is a bit too enthusiastic about you?
Too enthusiastic? No. I think he's just about right.
Laundromat. On the boiling hell, it was next to the airlock. Before we dismantled it, of course. This way? Oh, do you mind? That way, then. Please. Left? Right. Right, then. Right. No!
That was it, Black. You missed it.
Oh, sorry, Captain.
Fascinating. The crushing machines, which were placed here back when the nebula was a simple space dump, seem to have evolved into savage life forms.
Really? How do you know?
Because they're chasing us.
Hard about.
No. On TV you say, evasive action.
This isn't TV. This is life.
Oh, not for much longer.
We can't outrun them, Captain.
Then we'll just have to head right for them.
Today's breakfast specials are lobster waffles with clam chutney. Halibut surprise.
Straight ahead, Scarlet. Scarlet, prepare for full speed. Wait for it. Wait for it. Full speed. Now.
Now that was adventure. Me and Captain Star laughing at danger, just like the old days.
I must admit, this old crate of yours handles like a dream, Blower.
Glad you like it, Star. The name's Bloater, by the way.
Private. Could this be the laundromat? A private laundromat, perhaps? I've never heard of a private laundromat. Hello? Oh, my.
Star of Space.
It's Star of Space.
Ooh, I'll save you, Captain.
It's all right, Scarlet. I can save myself. You must do what you do. Jones. I need a hand. Jones.
Here I am, Captain.
This must be Bloater's room. Perhaps he could lend me some socks. My goodness, he's quite a fan of Captain Star. Fanatic fan, fantastically fanatic. Some kind of chocolate wrapper. Oh, look. Captain Star pajamas, so stretchy. Our best friend.